is for real. And we out here as public workers doing our job, trying to make an honest living to take care of our families. But for you to get on the bus and stand on the bus and cough several times without covering up your mouth, and you know that we in the middle of a pandemic, that lets me know that some folks don't care, utterly don't give a excuse my language, but that's how I feel right about now. For a grown person in her late 50s, early 60s to stand on the bus and cough 4 and 5 times without covering up your mouth, and you know we in the midst of a crisis with this coronavirus, I am pissed the off. I ain't blaming nobody. I ain't blaming nobody but the woman that did that. I ain't putting the fault on nobody else. For us to get through this and get over this, man, y'all need to take this serious. It's folks dying from this. Listen, it's folks dying out here.